Hello there, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to MagiOS. In this video, we are going to learn how to develop Python and Node.js programs using Visual Studio Code. Before that, we need Python and Node.js framework to be installed on the computer. I have installed Node.js and Python on my computer. I have already posted the videos for Python and Node.js installation. Please see the links in description. If you have already installed, you can follow me in this video. Open the browser and type code.visualstudio.com. Click Other Platforms. I am going to download using System Installer option. The reason is user installer will be installed in AppData folder and that can be only used by the current logged in user. System Installer will provide an option to choose the installation path and VS Code is available for all users on the same computer. Click the downloaded file and begin the installation. Accept and click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Create folders for Python and Node.js projects on your computer. First I am going to use Node.js project folder. Click on the address bar and type cmd and press Enter key. Type code and press Enter. Create new file with extension .js. I am just creating a function to display the message. Calling the function to print the message in result window. Press F5 or Fn plus F5 to run the application. Application executed and you can see the result hello in the debug console. Click on the Create Launch.json file to configure the project for Node.js execution. You can debug the Node.js application in VS Code. Add the breakpoint, red mark, to the line which you want to pause the application. Next I am to add the parameter name to the function to pass the value from the function call. I am going to run the application again, key, F5 or Fn plus F5. Now you can see the passed value in the parameter name. That's all. So I am going to do the same thing in Python project. Come on, let's try. Go to command window and navigate to the Python project folder and then type code. Create new file with extension .py. In Python function keyword is def and the function should end with colon, smiley face. Also, white space is used for indentation in Python. So you have to be very careful while moving to next line. Otherwise application will throw error. By default VS Code taking care of indentation, if auto indentation not working then you can install the extensions in VS Code. Plenty of extensions available for Python in the VS Code market. Once you created the method, function, you can call that method in next line below the method implementation. Press F5 or Fn plus F5 to run the application. Now you can create the configuration file for Python project. Click Create Launch.json file. Now I am going to add the parameter name and going to debug the application. To debug the application, we have to add the breakpoint, red mark, on the line where you want to pause the application. You can see the value passed to the parameter name. That's all, great. Hope you learned how to develop Python and Node.js applications. Now I am going to save the files in GitHub. GitHub is global repository for projects and files. Git is versioning tool for maintaining the applications. In this video, I am going to store the Python project in Github. Click on the Initialize repository in the Source Control option. Click tick mark to commit the code first in local computer. Add the comments for the code commit, then click Enter. You can see 2 changes committed and pending changes 0. Once the code committed locally, we need to push the code to the GitHub to sync the data. Here we are doing first time, so we have to get the access from GitHub. Just follow the video, you will understand. Click Open Visual Studio Code. Click Open. You can see the list of private repositories which are all exists in the Github repo. Also you can see public repositories, if you search. Now click Pull, Push, then click Sync or Push. Now I am going to push the code Python code repo. We have to enter the credential for GitHub. Files were pushed to GitHub. We will go and verify in GitHub. Yes. Files are there. Okay. Thank you, and we'll catch you on another video.